Good morning, students. In our today's lecture, we will discuss next important topic from the lesson robots and people. In our previous lecture, we discussed theme of the lesson robots and people. Today, we will discuss next topic or next important question, that is human brains are par excellence, robots are mere machines. I repeat the question. Human brains are par excellence. Robots are mere machines. Explain this statement. This is image of the writer is Isaac Asimov. As in our previous lecture, we discussed that Isaac Asimov, he was an American writer and he was also professor of biochemistry at Boston University. He was known for his literary works of science fiction and popular science. He was an eminent writer who wrote and edited more than 500 books. He also wrote an estimated or approximately 90,000 letters and postcards. He wrote hard science fiction. So he was a very great writer of America. Let's now discuss the question human brains are par excellence, robots are mere machines. Explain with examples. Students, as we all know, that we are living in the machine age. We all are living in the machine age. Machine वाले युग च रह रहे हैं ਅਸੀਂ. Now robots have been made. Earlier in past, all difficult works, all type of works were being done by the human beings. But now human beings have invented robots which can do work, which can work in place of the human beings. They are more complicated than other machines. Human beings can operate machines, but robots are complicated, or they are complex or difficult to operate by human beings. They can do jobs that until now only human beings could do. Robots can do even those jobs which earlier were being done by only the human beings. These jobs are too simple for the marvelous brains that human beings have. These jobs are too simple for the marvelous brains. Marvelous means wonderful. Writer says that all these jobs which are nowadays being done by robots, all these jobs are too simple for the wonderful brains of human beings. Robots are being worked with computers. Robots ਨੂੰ ਕਿੱਦਾਂ ਚਲਾਇਆ ਜਾਂਦਾ ਹੈ? With the help of computers. Robots are being worked with computers. Computers are getting more and more complicated. Complex ਹੈ, difficult ਹੈ. Computers ਜਿਹੜੇ ਹੈਗੇ ਆ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਤੋਂ ਜਦੋਂ robots ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੀ help ਨਾਲ ਚਲਾਏ ਜਾਂਦੇ ਆ, they are more and more complicated, more and more complex or difficult to operate. Robots will have more and more abilities. Robots will have more and more abilities, capabilities to do work. Robots work automatically under the direction of computers which human beings have programmed. Robots work automatically when they are given direction by the computers, and those computers have been programmed by human beings only. For example, computers are very good at solving mathematical problems. Computers are very good that they can solve mathematical problems. Computers ਨਾਲ mathematical problems solve ਕੀਤੀਆਂ ਜਾ ਸਕਦੀਆਂ ਨੇ. They can do them faster and without making mistakes. Computers can solve mathematical problems in a faster way and without making any mistake. That is because we know all the rules of arithmetic. The human brain has imagination. This is important to note that human brain has imagination power. Imagination means kalpana shakti, kalpana karan di takat. Human brain has imagination power. Human brain ਨੂੰ ਇਹ ਪਾਵਰ ਕਿਹਨੇ ਦਿੱਤੀ ਆ? God ਨੇ, ਪਰਮਾਤਮਾ ਨੇ ਦਿੱਤੀ ਆ. It can suppose and wonder. Human brain can suppose, imagine ਕਰ ਸਕਦਾ ਹੈ human brain ਕਿਸੇ ਚੀਜ਼ ਨੂੰ. It can suppose and wonder means human brain has imagination power, and computers or robots, they don't have this type of any power, imagination power. It can make intelligent guesses with his imagination. A person can make intelligent guesses about anything. Guess ਕਰ ਸਕਦਾ ਹੈ imagination ਕਰਕੇ. imagination ਦੀ help ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਕੋਈ ਵੀ ਇਨਸਾਨ ਕਿਸੇ ਵੀ ਚੀਜ਼ ਨੂੰ guess ਕਰ ਸਕਦਾ ਹੈ, ਅੰਦਾਜ਼ਾ ਲਗਾ ਸਕਦਾ ਹੈ ਕਿਸੇ ਚੀਜ਼ ਦਾ. It is creative. Imagination power ਕੀ ਹੈ? It is creative. With the help of imagination power, a person can create anything by imagining. It can think up new and startling ways of doing or understanding things. With imagination power, a human being can think about something new, about startling ways. Startling means about surprising ways of inventing something or about doing something. Computers and robots. Computers and robots can't do any of these things. Neither computers nor robots, they can't do creative works, or they can't imagine anything because they don't have imagination power, because they are mere machines made by human beings. They are a long way from being intelligent in the same way as human beings are. Robots and computers, they can never be as intelligent as the human beings are. कदी भी computers and robots, because only machines ने, ਉਹ ਇਨਸਾਨ ਦੇ ਬਰਾਬਰ ਇੰਟੈਲੀਜੈਂਟ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੋ ਸਕਦੇ, because they don't have imagination power which is provided to human beings by God. Computers and robots cannot be programmed to be imaginative and creative. There is not any power that computers and robots can be programmed to be imaginative and creative. ਕੋਈ ਇੱਦਾਂ ਦੀ ਪਾਵਰ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੈ ਜਿਸ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਕੰਪਿਊਟਰਸ ਨੂੰ, ਜਿਸ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਰੋਬੋਟਸ ਨੂੰ ਇਮੈਜੀਨੇਟਿਵ ਔਰ ਕ੍ਰੀਏਟਿਵ ਬਣਾਇਆ ਜਾ ਸਕੇ. ਕੋਈ ਇੱਦਾਂ ਦੀ ਪਾਵਰ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੈ, ਬਿਕੋਜ਼ ਦਿਸ ਪਾਵਰ ਆਫ ਇਮੈਜੀਨੇਸ਼ਨ ਹੈਜ਼ ਬੀਨ given to human beings only by God. So from this discussion it becomes clear that the statement is very much true that human brains are par excellence, robots are mere machines. So we have I have tried to make this point clear to you? So, students, we have covered this important topic. Tomorrow, we will continue with our next lecture on some next topic. Thank you. Thank you very much.